Hey folks, how we doing? Okay, Miss Nichols here. Yeah, I thought I'd put on the neon light for you tonight. Okay, serious stuff now. Lots of emails from you today and over the last few days about exams, and the particular question you seem to be asking is about the online exam timetable. Okay, so look, hopefully I'm going to make this really easy for you. I've done a little document that is attached on this Show My Homework, so you can see this and you can see which group you're in and what time your exams are and what paper. Okay, before we go into that document, can I just remind you, for psychology, for these exams, we've decided you've got two papers: paper 1, paper 2. Okay, paper 1, memory and research methods. Paper 2, approaches and psychopathology. Okay, both papers 1 hour long. If you have extra time, you've got extra time built in. Okay, so if you're 25% extra time, it's obviously 15 more minutes, you get an hour and a quarter. Okay, all the questions, this is no trick, all the questions are multiple choice. Okay, a question with a number of answers, and you select the right or wrong answers depending on what you're asked to do. Okay, so that's the first thing about the style of exams. Now, might be a bit confusing for you, your exam timetable. So hopefully, let me see if I can get you to see this. Hang on a second. Okay, let's do that. Yeah, should be able to see the screen. Fantastic. Now I've attached this to this Show My Homework so you can see it. Okay. Sorry to click on the screen, it makes me go a bit yellow, but hopefully you can see the screen. Now, you've probably seen and been emailed something like this here, which basically will say, here's your whole school timetable, depending on your option blocks. So your timetable puts you in, depending on where your subjects are in the timetabled option blocks. Now, that's just a weird thing, isn't it? You don't really need to understand why. But what it means, for example, in psychology, we have 3 psychology groups in year 12, okay? And you're in option block 1, there's one group, option block 2, and option block 3. So the next thing you've just got to know is which one are you in? Now, I've made this easy for you, haven't I? Here we go, look at this, touchscreen technology, okay? On your timetable, I do this funny thing, don't I? I colour code you. Why do I colour code you? Because I don't like these weird class codes. I can't remember them up here. So I've called you the orange group, the pink group, and the green group, haven't I? All right. So the orange group are option 1. Okay. Your official code is 12.1/PS1. Okay, the pink group, you are option 2, and your official code is 12.2, so you're option 2. And the green group, you are option 3, 12.3. Okay, so I hope that little bit there makes that clear for you. Okay, all right. Now, I've gone even further than that. You'll see that above I've already started color coding. Well, I decided to go further. Okay, come on touch screen, not so clever anymore. Okay, let's scroll up. It's gonna work, hang on a sec. There we go. All right, so I've even done you an exam timetable like this. Now this table shows all 3 year 12 groups. Shows the orange group, option 1, green group, pink group, and so on. Okay, so here we can see date Monday. Well, that's Monday next week, 9 in the morning. Paper 1, which group's doing it? Oh, paper 1, memory and research methods. Which group? The orange group. Okay, all right. Monday, the 4th, in the afternoon at 1:30. Paper 1. Okay, memory research methods. The green group, option 3, and so on. Okay, that goes on and on. Apologies, as we scroll down. So you'll see that each group, each colour there appears twice because you've got 2 exams. All right. Now, in my little brain, that is simple. Okay. Colour coding it, putting it next to the date, and putting the topics in there. Okay. If that still isn't simple, email me. Okay. Ask me another question, and I'll try and even refine it more. Okay. Brilliant. So that's that bit covered on when are your exams. So if I haven't replied to you all individually, that's why. Now, the second thing is, how are the exams going to be set? Well, the exams are going to be set on Microsoft Teams. Okay, just click on the screen again so you see it. Now, if you're anything like me, before this whole coronavirus, I had no idea what this Microsoft Teams was, never had a need for it, didn't bother to learn it. Now we've all been using it for some weeks, and some of you will have had lessons on this already, some of you might not, okay? But what Teams does is, it's because we all have Microsoft accounts. When you come to St. John's, you've got Outlook, Office 365, all that stuff. You've got a Microsoft account. Well, this is a Microsoft product. What Teams does, you don't have to do it, the administrators have done it, is it puts us into groups or teams, okay? Lovely, brilliant. So you can see here, these are all the teams I'm a member of. I'm a member of just the psychology general staff team there. I'm a member of all St. John's staff, okay? But I'm also a member, oh look, here we go, 12-3. So that's year 12, option 3 class. That's the green group, isn't it? Okay. So if I went into that team, I can chat with you, I can set you work, you can respond to work, send me stuff back and so on, all right? So the first thing you got to do, folks, the style of exams we've set, if you've got a laptop or anything like this, an iPad, a tablet, whatever it might be, get the Teams app on there, okay? Now, with our multiple choice exams, I'm pretty sure that you're going to be just okay, even if you just use the Teams app on a mobile phone, okay? And I'm videoing on my phone, here it is, and I use the Teams app more than I use the laptop, all right? Now, where's the work going to be set? It's going to be set in this little bit, let me see, assignments, okay? Now, you're not going to see anything here because I've been a bit sneaky. I don't want you to see anything already in there. But if I was to type in or I click on one of my groups, I can see what assignments are set for you. Now, the good thing here is, you've probably worked this out, we can set these by timing. So they only go live at a certain time, okay? Now, what I'm going to do here, and your other subject teachers are hopefully doing the same as well, we're going to set you a fake assignment, okay, just to test the system, to see if you all get on all right. So, tomorrow when I'm in school, I'm going to set a new assignment, okay, and I'm going to set it for each group at the same time. And that assignment is going to go live for you. Now, I'm going to be realistic here. In fact, let me make a note with my old-fashioned pen on this pad I've got down here. Thursday, that's going to be the 28th, 29th, 30th, isn't it? This week, okay, at 11 o'clock. No, that's too early for you lazy teenagers, isn't it? 12 o'clock, fair deal. 12 o'clock midday, right? So, this Thursday, 12 o'clock midday, you need to be ready with your Teams app open, okay? And you need to have gone to your assignments, all right? And it's going to take you to another product, Forms. Forms is just a way of getting surveys or questions and answers, okay? So don't worry about the style of it or whatever, okay? Now, on that, it's not going to be a test or a psychology thing. It's just going to check that the computers work and you can work it out. So I'm going to ask you 3 or 4 silly questions, like, how are you today? And you'll pick an option. Yeah, I'm feeling good. Okay. Do you like Microsoft Teams? Who's your favorite teacher? Whatever it might be. Okay. Just please have a test of that. Because why are we testing it? We're testing to see if you can grapple with Teams and assignments and get used to it. And also that we've set it up correctly. If there are problems on Thursday and it doesn't work, that's when I need help and you might need some help. Okay? So, folks, what am I saying there then? With this, you've got your exam timetable attached. Okay, make sure you know which group you're in, whether you're option 1, 2 or 3, and I've color coded them. We're going to do the assessment live on Teams, okay, and we're going to have a practice one, made a note, haven't I, this Thursday at 12 o'clock, and I'm going to write all this and show my homework, okay. Now I'm going to add one other sneaky little thing in here. I've been having a little play, like us YouTubers on the cutting edge of technology do. I've been having a little play with Kahoot, and I think I'm testing one with a member of staff, Miss Richardson, who doesn't know this yet, but I've set her a Kahoot that she's going to wake up to tomorrow when she switches on her technology and stuff, and I'm going to see if she can do it because I've got a cracking revision one for you for research methods. So if it works with Miss, I'm going to set that for you, maybe for Friday. All right? Okay, folks, keep safe, be good. Don't relax the social distancing and isolation and lockdown and all those words, okay? We got to just keep safe. All right, folks, remember, only an email away. Take care. Bye.